and you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, sit right, sit right. Your thing turn up, pussy well tight, well tight. Body clean, have no cellulite, and your skin just a glow like pepper. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi Marie, and I'm back at it again with another video for y'all. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look. Hit that subscribe button, like my videos, comment, share. Y'all know the drill. So let's just jump right into this video.
Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody.
I know I always do my eyebrows off camera.
First, I'll be going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I'll be going in with my Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Primer also. Now I'll be going in my Fenty Beauty Foundation, and this is in the shade 390. Now it's time for some concealer, and I'll be going in with the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Tan Dark. This is how it looks. And I will be applying this under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. Now I'm going to be going to my damn beauty blender, and I'm just going to spray some setting spray onto this. I'm just going to blend out all that concealer. Now that this is all blended in,
I'll be going in with my Maybelline Sculpin palette, and I'll be going in with this brown shade right here to contour.
And I'm not going to be using a lot because this is our natural look. So, yeah.
Now it's time for eyeshadow, and I'll be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Mono Renaissance palette, and this is how it looks. I'll be going in with the shade Rossania, and I will be also going in with Burnt Orange. So these are the two shades I'll be using, and I'll be using Burnt Orange first, and I'll just be applying that all over my lids. Going in with Rossania, and I'm just going to focus that in the crease. I'll be applying some lashes, and I'll be doing that off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on, and I almost forgot, so I have to set my face, and I'll be going in with some translucent powder, and I'm just gonna set my face all over. And last but not least, I'll be going in with some setting spray, and I use the Art Natural setting spray. It has aloe water in it, so yeah. And this is the finishing look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, like this video, check out my other videos. I'm gonna put them in the description box below, and just join the familia. Like